Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then we have Mondor's disease. Okay. In the Mondor's disease, what is Mondor's disease? It is actually a variant of thrombophlebitis. It is a variant of thrombophlebitis. It will mainly involve the superficial veins of the anterior chest wall. It involves the superficial veins of anterior chest wall and also the breast. So this Mondor's disease is also called as string phlebitis. Why is it also called as string phlebitis? Because the string is obviously a cord like. Phlebitis is thrombosed. Phlebitis is venous inflammation. So as a result, here the thrombosed vein will actually, it looks or resembles the string of a thread. So it is tender and it is cord like. Because the thrombosed vein is tender and cord like, so we call this has string phlebitis. Then it is actually a benign lesion and it is a self-limiting disorder. So it is not a cancer, or it is not an indicator of cancer. Then clinical features. Clinical features of Mondor's disease. So in the Mondor's disease, the patient presents with acute pain mainly in the lateral aspect of the breast, and also the pain is in the anterior chest wall also. The pain is seen in the lateral aspect of breast and anterior chest wall. A tender firm cord is found. Okay, a tender firm cord is found mainly at the superficial. It is tender firm cord is nothing but the superficial veins. Then we should see the diagnosis. In the diagnosis of Mondor's disease, it is uncertain. So because the diagnosis is uncertain and sometimes mass may be present and diagnosis is uncertain, so because of this uncertain diagnosis, we actually do a biopsy is indicated in this case. Then treatment of this Mondor's disease. Mondor's disease is mainly treated by giving the NSAIDs, or we can apply warm compress is applied along the uh, painful vein or symptomatic vein. Along the symptomatic vein, we can apply a warm compress. This is warm. Okay, hot compress is given. Then it is better to restrict the motion of the breast by giving a support which is brassiere support. With the help of this brassiere support, we can restrict the motion of the breast so that the pain will decrease. But even after this therapy, after giving this, if the pain persists, in such cases we can give excision of the involved vein can be done if the pain persists.
thank you and thank you for watching.